Assalamu alaikum guys, so I'm going to give you a tour. Okay, so first we'll start with the greenhouse. So these are all aubergines, and as you see this one is starting to grow because it's forming, and you can see that because a flower is growing, and the same for all the rest of them. And these are also all aubergine in different varieties. And this one is called cilantro. Okay, now we're gonna move on.
What about this, Ilma? What's this?
Oh yeah, these are chilies, different kinds of chilies.
And this long one, do you know what this is?
I think
It's called, in Bengali, it's called sishinga. Sishinga.
In Bengali, guys, it's called sishinga.
Or snake gourd in English.
So,
We'll go now. Polytunnel?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, my dad has grown all of these from seeds. It took really long, but it was okay. And so these are all I grew some too. I grew this one and it's going very long.
What's this one called?
This
Oh,
one.
that's another sishinga.
Yeah.
It's another snake gourd. It's growing nice and tall.
This one
What's this one?
is zinza.
Zinga.
Zinza.
Again, another Bengali vegetable. It's like ridge gourd. And this one?
And this one I think is ivy gourd.
Oh yeah, that's the one you grew the other day. It's grown
Yeah.
quite a bit taller, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And this one is...
This one
oh, this one is a strange one. It's not growing very well, but we've planted it to see what happens. It's a bit like ivy gourd. And in Bengali, they call it kakrul.
Yes.
And over here, that
is
is edos, mukhi in Bengali.
Yes.
And what are these two?
I think these are maybe chili plants.
Well, this one is a chili plant, yeah. And this is
Oh, these are lemon.
Bangladeshi lemons, yes. And what's this? Oh, you got chilies and more chili plants. Look, there's a chili growing, and you
There's
can
one
see
chili
lots of
just
flowers
there.
on it.
Yeah, there's many flowers going, so that's a sign of lots of chilies.
And these are peppers, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, they're peppers. They're bought from the shop, those ones. More homegrown from seed chilies and peppers. Okay. And what about this side? What's this?
Oh, these are I think
this
they're
is called-
ivy gourd.
No, it's not ivy gourd. This is called Malabar spinach, the red vining type. And as you can see, it grows very tall. And when it's ready, he'll go all the way up here, and maybe all along this roof of this polytunnel. But it's called Malabar or Poishak in Bengali. And what's these?
These? Oh,
I know what they are, because I grew them myself from seed. These are called spaghetti chili plants. So the spaghetti chili plants, as the name suggests, the chili actually grows into a shape of a spaghetti, long and windy.
I can see some growing here.
Can you? Oh yeah, starting to form. There's some flowers showing. Can you see that?
Yep.
But these are very rare plants, so I'm growing them again this year. Last year I had success. Inshallah we will this year. These are my plants that I've grown from cuttings. These are called rujet. In Bengali, rujet fata, yeah. So we eat these leaves, which is really tasty in curries and very flavoursome. That is another Malabar spinach. It's called Poishak in Bengali. This variety is a green one, whereas this one, as you can see, is a purple stem or red. This one is a green stem, but it's called Malabar Poishak. This is watermelons. So we're not sure if these will give us any fruits, because we grew them from seeds and we're not sure of their variety, but we'll give it a go. This is a small plant of wax gourd, chalkumra in Bangla, and more plants that I grew from cuttings, and these are the same as these ones here. They're called rujet pata in Bengali, but I don't know what they're called in English or the scientific name. and some more here, but because we love them, everyone loves these, the flavour of these leaves. We've grown plenty from cuttings.
Yeah.
Actually, my mum grew them from cuttings. She took the cuttings and then gave the plants to me. All right, where we going next, Ilma?
We are going to see some potatoes.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Chili.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, guys, I just grew this now. These are spring onions.
yeah, you grew this as well. These,
And
well,
I
you
grew
sowed them.
I sowed some
Peas.
peas.
You got your strawberries here.
Yeah, our strawberries are here.
They're not doing very well, are they? Because the slugs and that get to them. I think the problem is this area here is not very nice.
And
So
this, yeah, they just keep on getting to them and eating
yeah.
them.
So
they're
what we'll
having-
do next year, we'll grow them in pots with special pots where you hang them. I'll tell you what these are because people won't know. These are called goji berries. So they're red berries called Goji.
G-O-J.
Goji berries. So I'm trying these for the first time. Apparently they've got lots of health benefits. Do you know what this is, Ilma?
No, I don't know. What is
This is called a Mexican tree spinach. So the leaves look really pretty. They go purple, then green, but you actually eat the leaves in a salad when they're young like this, or you let them grow a bit bigger. You can cook them.
Oh, guys, I grew these. These are all, I think, butter beans. And
That's right. These are butter beans.
a whole line of them, and I'm very proud of them and myself because I think they're going to grow really big.
Look, this one's growing really tall.
This one and this one.
Yeah, these are butter beans. So I grew this last year on the allotment, and then I kept the seeds. So they're looking good and healthy. We got to look after them by giving them plenty of water. Make sure the slugs don't get to them. Okay, what's all of this, Ilma? Oh, you've got lots of
I
tomatoes.
also grew these too. These are all tomatoes.
Different varieties, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I think the ones here at the back, they're called, there is a name, I can't see it from here, but they're probably called Brandywine. It's just a beefsteak tomato. This one, that's a cherry tomato. No, that's a Brandywine. I think these are either Brandywine or Jersey Devil. We'll have to check the label in a minute. That's why it's really important to label your tomatoes. I know this one is a Jersey Devil.
If you don't know the plants, you might get the wrong ideas, or
that's
you might
right.
give it the wrong plant food.
And there's another one, another cherry tomato. This is kind of tall. And these ones are cayenne chilies, long, slim cayenne chilies. So we'll see what happens with them. Where are we going next? Shall we go over there and have a look what you got over there?
Yeah.
Come on in, I'll follow you. Oh, here's your potatoes, by the way.
Oh yeah, these are our potatoes, guys.
They're all grown in big tubs. So this is, I think these are about 2 or 3 months. So the varieties I've grown here are Sarpomira, Cara, and I think Swift. I'll have to check the labels, but yeah, they're all growing nice. Lots of foliage.
Okay guys, these two are cucumbers, and as you can see, I think they're growing pretty well because
you've got flower,
can
look.
tell by the flowers.
Yeah. So what's the problem? So if I step back a bit, what we want to do is let these cucumbers grow up this trellis and around, and similarly on this side. So we've got cucumbers, and yeah, they should be okay. These are Bengali ones, Bengali kira. Okay, this. Oh, I can see a fruit forming on this one.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Wow, that is a fruit.
Yeah, so that's a ridge gourd, Zinga. I think this is another Zinga. So 2 Zingas,
Two zingers
and then you got 2 Sisingas, which is the snake gourd variety. And this one's grown pretty tall.
oh yeah, that one's
And
so tall.
this one over there is a Bavilion. I think you pronounce it Achocha, or in Bengali we call it Potol, but this is the Bavilion variety. They go huge, massive, triple the size, I would say, of a normal pointed gourd or Potol. Okay, and then over here, what have we got?
And then over here I think, if I'm correct, these are chili plants.
These are peppers. So these are bell peppers.
These are bell peppers, and I root all of these too. All of these.
So these are your hygiene beans, I think.
And we also got this
Yeah.
new olive tree, and I think the olives are doing pretty well.
You know, we need to start sorting this out. Look, I can see black flies on there.
Oh no, that's bad.
So there's the way we will sort this out. I don't know if you can see that, but the black flies usually attack bean plants.
Look, there's some.
Yeah, there's a lot of there. So what we'll do is get some soapy spray water.
I see it's only happening on this one.
Basically, get a teaspoon of washing up liquid. Put in a spray can, maybe 500 ml spray can with normal water. So dilute the washing liquid in that water and then spray it. But you've got to spray it when it's not too sunny and hot. So best to do it in the evening. That'll kill the black flies.
Guys, we also have many trees. We have.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's have a look at these. These are more beans. These are more lab beans. I think that's the purple varieties, these two.
Do you have black Russian tomatoes?
I think this is another lab. This is the green variety. It actually says Shim Uri. And these are, I think, our... Yeah, I can see the name there. It says, yeah, these are called yard-long beans, Lubi Uri. So this two Lubi Uris, Shim Uri. That one's another Shim Uri. I think these three are purple. So the Ruby Moon variety. That's a cutting from plant grown from cutting rosemary plant. It's a herb. Here's our olive tree.
Yeah, we got this just a few weeks ago, and it looks like it's doing pretty well.
You can see the olives there.
Oh
Look.
no! And we also have a cherry tree, and I see a little snail trying to get on into our cherries.
Where?
Here.
Ooh, naughty. Get off you.
And anyways, the cherries have been doing actually really good. We have eaten some.
Yeah, it's still a young tree, but it is a cherry. Look, I can see one here. Nice cherry there.
Yeah.
Actually, that might be ready. I don't know. You and Nisha can have that.
Yeah.
Because this is still a young tree, still developing. But next year or the year after, it might give us more
And
fruit.
we also have
This
these. I think these are grapes. Or
Yeah,
beans.
this is a grapevine.
Yeah, grapes.
Again, we grew this last year, so this year we're not expecting anything. And here, this pot here, this is a blueberry bush. It's got lots of flowers in there, but this not doing very well. I don't know why.
There's no
But we'll leave it
blueberries.
in there, see what happens.
And we also have a plum tree and pear trees because I love pear trees.
Okay, all right, well done. So that's it for the garden. We've got more plants at the top. Shall we go and show them what's at the top?
Yeah.
Come on in. Let's go to the top. These are more in little pots. Let's have a look. Well,
Guys,
can
we
you?
already saw a lemon tree too, but we also have another one that we.
This is a yellow lemon.
Yeah,
This is the ones you get normally in shops and supermarkets. What are these?
Also watered these, and they're chili
They are called ornamental mix.
ornamental mix. Okay, so chili ornamental mix here, and all along here.
They're aubergines.
Yeah, they're all
Different
aubergines.
varieties.
My sister loves aubergines.
There's more here. 2 more aubergines.
Oh, and these are banana leaf plants.
Oh yes. Maybe I need to go this side because the sun is here. Here's a mature-ish Rujet Fata plant.
And here's our lemon tree.
Nice and big lemon tree. We bought this one from the shop.
Is that did you grow this one or is it?
No, that was gifted to me. It's aloe vera.
Ooh, aloe vera.
And what's these here? Oh, that's another chili plant.
Yeah. Me and my sister grew these. I think they're chili plants.
Yeah, chilies, and these are tomatoes in the ground or the raised beds. These two are dwarf variety tomato plants called Red Robin.
These are all
More
cilantro.
chilies, more chilies, more
Cilantros.
chilies, more chilies, more chilies. And cilantro, we grew some cilantro, so we transferred them from the little grow cells here. And here they are actually. This is the cilantro, it's growing. But they're going to flower, so I don't think
Yeah, many
they're
cilantros.
bolted.
And I think More here?
And there's a little pot down there, yeah. So I don't know, we'll see. It's the first time I'm trying cilantro this year. I was expecting them to look a bit more different and have a bit of a fragrance, but I can't. Yeah, there's no like typical coriander smell, but I can't smell it.
What I love about this plant is that it looks like a forest. I love it because it looks like a forest.
Do you want to show them your bay tree? Bay leaves?
Yeah.
Yeah, we love our bay leaf tree. Look at this.
Here.
This is the bay leaf tree,
And there's
look.
another one over there.
Oh, it's the size of this bay leaf.
Yeah, so many.
And there's another one over here.
That one's very big.
Oh, here's your pear tree, by the way.
Oh yeah, these I love pears, so there's a big one growing in here.
Oh yeah, and that one is your plum tree. Shall we have a look at that?
Yep.
So I grew this about
Every
4
year
years
there's a
ago,
lot of
planted
plums
these.
growing.
There you go.
There's a big nice one.
There you go, plums are starting to form. We've got our apple tree up there, obviously laden with
We have
apples.
2 apple trees, and I think this tree is doing really good. And the other one too.
Shall we have a look at the other one?
Yeah, the other ones are growing really big.
Yeah, this is.
So, if you see these ones are a little bit improving.
Yeah, we'll get lots of harvest of this, I think. So much you can eat, so we end up composting on a lot of these apples. But anyway, so that's it. Little tour. Oh, by the way, I'll keep this out here to scare the pigeons. These are red amaranth, lalshak. Is some mustard leaves, laishak. And I'll grow some more of those, seed some more. And this is ghee kancham, which is also another form of amaranth. Okay, so that'll do for today.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed this tour, guys. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.